Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Binance with a VPN. As you probably know, Binance isn't available everywhere in the world. It's not available in some countries and is restricted in others. For example, if you visit Binance.us, the US version, you will see a limited version of Binance offering around 160 cryptocurrencies. In contrast, the international version features over 500. If you are in one of those restricted countries and want to access Binance, or specifically the international version, you will need to use a VPN. To make it appear as though you are in a country where it's available, like Brazil for example, a VPN hides your real IP address and makes it appear as if you're browsing from another location. So if you connect to a VPN server in Brazil, every website or app you use will think you're in Brazil because you'll be using an IP address from Brazil. If you don't have a VPN yet, I suggest watching my video on the best VPNs for 2025. A link is showing in the top right corner of this video. If you don't have time to watch another video, here is a quick summary. In my opinion, the best VPN for Binance is ExpressVPN. I really like ExpressVPN because they have servers all over the world and it's very effective for accessing Binance from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 61% discount and 4 free months. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means you can sign up, use the service for several weeks with no limits, and then request a refund. If ExpressVPN isn't right for you for any reason, you can go with NordVPN instead. I also really like NordVPN because it has a large number of servers worldwide, and it's also very effective for accessing Binance from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 71% discount and 1 month free. Use the code VCLUB to get several extra free months. Just like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial with a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. So, how do you trade on Binance with a VPN? If you are in a location where Binance is restricted, all you need to do is launch your VPN and connect to a server in a country where it's available. Earlier, I mentioned Brazil, but there are plenty of other countries where the platform works. Just connect to a VPN server in the location of your choice. Just make sure Binance is accessible there. Let's connect to a VPN server in Brazil. I click on Brazil, then here, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from Brazil. My real IP address has been replaced by the VPN's IP address, which is based in Brazil. As you can see here, my IP address now shows I'm in Brazil. Now, simply open your web browser and go to the Binance.com website. You should be able to log into your account or create one if you don't already have one. If you don't already have a Binance account, you will need to sign up and complete a KYC process, which stands for Know Your Customer. During this process, you will need to verify your identity. Binance will ask for some basic information, such as your full name, date of birth, address, a government-issued ID, and a selfie. They may also request proof of address, like a utility bill. Once you're verified, you'll get full access to the platform. Just a heads up, if you sign up for Binance using a VPN to appear as though you are in a different location, it could raise some flags. Binance tracks your IP address, and if it doesn't match your submitted address, they might get suspicious and ask you to disable your VPN for verification, which is fine. You should still be able to complete the sign-up process without the VPN. After you have signed up, you can trade on Binance using your VPN without any issues. And that's it. That's how you can trade on Binance with a VPN. ExpressVPN will bring you many other benefits, such as browsing and downloading privately, improving the security of your internet connection, accessing more content, avoiding speed limitations, bypassing censorship, saving money, and much more. Don't bother with free VPNs. They often come with slow speeds, limited server options, annoying ads, and questionable privacy policies. In some cases, they may even log and sell your data. It's better to take advantage of the trial offered by ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to trade on Binance with a VPN. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.